Is your mobile internet slow? Do you keep lagging in Mobile Legends or buffering on YouTube and Facebook?
Don't worry, pal. Today, I'll show you a simple APN settings trick that can help boost your mobile data speed. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps.
First, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned OFF so we are testing only your mobile data.
Try APN, see this video tutorial.
Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM card for manually APN Internet Settings. Access Point Name. Click on plus icon, add new APN Internet Settings. Tab on Name. Tab on APN. Tab on Server. Tab on MMSC. Tab on MMS Proxy. Tab on MMS Port. Authentication type, PAP/CHAP. A PN type. APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6. A PN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6.